Hello everyone, it's LasithKArt here in my next painting video, and today I'll be painting this lovely mountain lake scene at Cradle Mountain National Park, and I hope you enjoy. The equipment list will be down in the description below, and let's get straight into it. Okay, so first of all I had a very light grey mixture for the clouds, and then I begin adding a darker grey for the background mountains, the rocks on the background mountains, and I add some white highlights to this. Then I begin adding the water on the lake in a mixture of light grey, and then I begin adding darker greys on top of this and some bluish colours as well. And then I begin working in the greens for the hills in the distance. For the areas not hit with sunlight, I add darker greens, and I add lighter greens for the areas that are hit with sunlight, and then I add highlights on top of this. And then I begin adding the dark greens for the foreground bushes and shrubs. And then I begin adding highlights on top of the leaves, and then I add the trunk of a small tree in the foreground. I add some twigs and branches in between the bushes and shrubs, and then I add the flowers on top of this, and that finishes off the painting. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you all really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is Gloomy Evening at Cradle Lake. And as always, don't forget to check out my Instagram and Google Plus at LasithKArt, and I hope to see some of you guys in my future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.